Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In the next few minutes, we're going to take an intriguing look at some unexpected trends in equipment failure. We'll explore 6 eye-opening facts that will make you rethink your reliability planning and maintenance strategies. If you think equipment failure is all about age or can be marked on a calendar, prepare to have your assumptions challenged. So buckle up and get ready for a fascinating journey into the world of equipment maintenance and reliability. Did you know that when it comes to equipment failure, there are some really interesting trends that we see? This gives us a glimpse into the challenges of effective reliability planning. First up, you might think that as a machine gets older, it's more likely to fail, right? Well, surprisingly, less than 20% of asset failures are age-related. That's right, it's not just about wear and tear. More often than not, you can't predict equipment failures based purely on the age of an asset. Next, we have a fact that might make you rethink your maintenance schedule. Reliability studies generally show that more than 80% of asset failures are random. Yes, you heard it right, random. So, marking your calendar for equipment failures might not be the best strategy. This is especially concerning when you consider that most preventive maintenance programs are strictly time-based. Now let's talk about data. With equipment failure being so unpredictable, proper data management becomes crucial. But here's the shocker. A whopping 98% of companies lack good data on failure history. This means that while facilities are trying to deal with equipment failure, they often have to do so reactively, once the equipment has already failed. Without knowledge of what tends to fail, it's nearly impossible to implement truly effective preventive maintenance. And it doesn't stop there. Most maintenance departments don't even know the performance targets of their equipment. They don't know how well their machines and other assets should be performing. And many of them don't understand why they need to understand those performance targets. Without that target value in mind, it's hard to make meaningful reliability plans. Here's a pro tip for you. Use a tool, such as a CMMS, to collect and report on this type of data. You can download UpKeep for free to start seeing results. Given this lack of data and target values, it's not surprising that most maintenance operations are designed to respond to breakdowns. When measuring success, most maintenance teams regard rapid response, not effective prevention, as the objective. However, there are efforts being made to change that. Over 80% of companies try to implement effective reliability strategies, but fail to reach their goals. Most companies do try, but very few are actually as successful as they'd like to be. It may be related to lack of data, or it might simply be challenging to shift the team's paradigm. To wrap up, we've learned that improving equipment reliability is not just about age or scheduled maintenance. It's about understanding the unpredictable nature of equipment failure, the importance of data management, and the need for performance targets. Remember, most failures are random, and the majority of companies lack good data on failure history. But don't worry. With tools like UpKeep's computerized maintenance management system, you can start making meaningful changes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your team. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com and stay tuned for more insightful content.